this video we move to my pretty second group, which called is basis on class body. So we talk about quite many aspects in group 1 about the definition parts and this class box header, I should say. So we have this special the symbol and also the name of the class. And also we talk about the 3 types of the relation. From this video is we will show you how to reuse the class. Class object is you should have the normally is the field or attributes or properties, and another the area is the class objects methods. So this video we will learn how to add method. So it's very simple. Use the colon followed by the field or method's name. So you can add this equals as a method, object as a field, so all the property or attributes. After we learn this, next video is we will try to utilize the first 5 subchapters learning and to make our real sample. So it's outside this reference guide, but we will try to show you is how you can utilize those approach. So let's get this add method approach first. So first let me create 0305. So we have 2 samples, so 3 samples. Let's make 1. So first, let's see. So you just use this column. So first we make our the link. So object is one name. It's the first name. Whenever is you put on this specific class diagram these arrows, then it will be guessed to our class diagram, but it's waiting for your another end of the object. So array list. So array list is aggregated from the object. So now we have this one. This video is we will try this. You want to put our object with our method equal. So method is finish like a function. So finish with a pair of the parentheses. So you put is this object, your name, class name with our this colon and equals. So if I don't put any space, it will not work. So you can see that is the syntax issue. So you need to have our space to ensure it read the object, and also you need our space after the colon to ensure they know this is the method. So once you did this, then this is the method. So method, the key part is this parentheses, and if you put that as the square, the brackets, that will be treated as the field. So field is in the first area, method is the second, but if you put nothing, it's also by default is treated as the field. So that means if I keep adding, so equal 1, so it's just add those, but if you put this as our parentheses, then equals will be a method, and the equal 1 is again as our field. So that is the field and method distinguish. So now for object we have our the equals method, and for array list, which is aggregated from the object, ensure you remember you have the space before and after. Now you will create something, but it's empty, saying nothing. All this opened showed. So now you have the object with this square brackets, then that is a field. So you can put this field with the element data, that is the property. and then you can keep add this space, colon, space, then size with the parentheses. That will be our method. So from this way, so I think it's you can start to try exercise on your on hand the real this class diagram samples, which we will try our sample next video. So that is the one, first one. It is also possible to group between brackets. So this now is a curly braces, all field and method. Then is you don't need to type is this object space colon every time. So let's try to make our second one. So 05305 to make this group. So what we can do is we can put this class. Let's see. So with maybe we say dummy go to. Let's use the horizontal flight. If I put like that, is the dummy is the composed from the flight. So now I have these two class element. So if I want to add dummy with our string data, so it's adding our this the field, and also I can do like this way. So is the void method with the parentheses is will be coming here. So I can keep adding those, but if I want to do this with our this the curly braces, then I can put this the small. So it's integer this volume amount. So if I don't comment that, then this let's see. So what's that string data? So dummy. Let me see. So so I forgot. Well, it's no need this colon, right? Let me see here. So new method. Let's read what's the from the one. So dummy go to flight syntax. So shall we must have this parentheses, these keywords. Now is correct. So you should not ignore those keywords. So if you also have this one, so I believe is they should not conflict each other. I can do this way, I can do that way, depending on what you want. And if you want, it's since you have the 4 total, 2 is the field, 2 are method, you can put all of them inside these curly braces. The benefits is you don't need to type dummy colon every time. But here is as we tested is you should not ignore this class. Then that will get the error. And so with these keywords, then you can have this the running correctly. So if I want to have these two this field, now I can just with class flight curly braces, and what I do is flight is integer. So you can put that in the after. So all you can put that is integer is the flight number. You can put that like this way, or you can put that is the flight price is the. If you put that like this way, then the flight price will be the type. So, but it's better it's needed, not better. Is you need to use the colon here again. So when you see here this light green, then that is the type. This is the name. You can use the either way. So now it's let's use the sample. So departure time, we use our date. So departure time normally should be date time. So that is depending on what you want to set. So you can set those are the property, and the flight is you can also have our tickets issue. So that can be our method, then that's we are coming to here. So with those ways, you can put anything inside these curly braces, then we call that as a group. So in our real sample, actually, I will start to use this way, but don't forget about these keywords in the beginning. So that is the second one. You can also use these curly braces with the field, curly braces with method modifier to override default behavior of the parser about field and method. So let's see what's that mean to us. So let me create our third one. So first is we have our class dummy. So dummy is our class, then we have these curly braces. And if we don't have these curly braces with the field, let's say a field despite parentheses. So if I don't have that, is because I have a pair of parentheses, it will be explained as our method. So that is due to the syntax. But now, actually, I want this as a field. So I can use these curly braces with the field. So force this to be explained as a field. And similarly, is some method. If I put that is because some method is I may have this inside of my method is name. Normally that is not like this case, but if you have such kind of things, you can see here I want this to be interpreted as a method. So you can put that even you have the square braces, then you can put that as the method. So these are ways you can make some force arrangements of which line of the code should be treated as the field or properties, which are the method. So we start is we are finished this 3.5. Let's back to our mind map. Is this one is adding method or field, and we have learned is how to declare elements, how to build the relation between the classes elements, how to add labels, how to use non-letter. Now together with this 3.5, we know how to add methods in the field or method area. So next video I will show you this real sample. Is our customer doing some shopping, and we have a few of the classes, and like shopping cart is related with those customers, and we put that as our real the class diagram, the sample demo. And we will use what's the last 5 subchapters we learned to build this one. So stay tuned, and I hope you can also try to get some more the feelings is how you can utilize those to the actual the class diagram drawing. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.